Welcome to part 3 of building your layout, laying the track. Now that your ballast is dry, you're ready to start laying the track. Once all the ballast has been applied and allowed to dry, reassemble the track and place the whole circuit over the ballasted area. Having positioned the layout and making sure that each track piece is correctly connected, you are now ready to start pinning the track down. Recommended product for this next stage are 207 track pins. Locate the pinhole situated in the middle of one of the sleepers on the straight section of the point and place a pin in the hole. Top tip, remember to take your time. Tap pins into pinholes in the relevant track. Please note some track pieces have more than one hole. It is not necessary to use every hole. One pin per track will be sufficient. Now that you have your track laid, it's time to move on to adding scenic materials to your track mag layout. Click here to watch the next video.